Okay, today is February 12, 2026. It is 12:50 p.m. and here is my daddy. For the first time in a long time, he's been eating really well, rice, and so seems like he will gain weight faster. He actually eating maximum of 3 times a day. So today we have a doctor's appointment and we're gonna be headed out soon with the neurologist to find out what's going on my father's brain. A potential diagnostic. Alright then. Adios. Alright, YouTuber is still live, and today is February 12, 2026, 1:37 p.m. and we have a doctor's appointment at 3 o'clock, but we have to arrive there 15 minutes early, 2:45 p.m. It's actually a neurologist. And here's my father. He already ate and he's ready. The biggest improvement on my father is he's eating at least 3 times a day. He's eating a lot of food. That's my dad right there. Are you ready for the neurologist?
Yeah, ready.
I'm nervous because you might get diagnosed. We're gonna find out what's going on inside your brain, what kind of sickness. But don't be angry, it's not don't think negative. Okay?
I'm okay.
Yes, we're gonna find out soon. Okay then.
Okay.
See you in the Stanford Clinic. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Right. Headed now to the doctor's office. Neurologist. Alright. Right. Elevator going down. So we're leaving the 3rd floor. We're headed now in Pleasanton, Los Positas. Okay. Sige, lakad ka na.
I know exactly what you mean. Okay, love. All right. Okay.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Okay. Okay. Dito, kapit ka rin. No. May hangin ba? Ayaw mo lang. Ayaw mo lang. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna head now to the neurologist. We are early today. at least 1 hour of travel time. 1 hour gap, so we're not gonna be late. Okay then. See you there. I hope that my father diagnosed with anything negative like a vascular dementia. I do not know. Everything is in the hands of God. Okay then.
Yeah.
Going. Alright. Okay. See you there when we arrive. Adios. Confirm the address, Daryl. Confirm the address. Ay. 5575. Las Positas. Okay. 4 miles lang pala.
Starting route to 5575 West Las Positas Boulevard. You can ask Siri to report any crashes or hazards you see along the way. Proceed to Grand Street, then take the first left.
Hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
report any crashes or hazard along the way.
Okay, sending report.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Bundukin. 12 miles. Biyahe. Wow. First time traveling this area. Traveling in the mountains.
Ako, hindi pa ako nabayan eh.
Tagal na. Nakadaan na siguro ako dito pero matagal na. Maybe 10 years ago.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Naalala ko kasi nung unang dating nila Winston tsaka ni Uncle Ern sa Amerika, pinasyal natin, di ba? Pumunta tayo ng Pleasanton. Ito ang ginamit na daan. So that is...
Hindi mamaniyaw.
Ako? So that was a long time ago. 23, 24, 13 years ago. So nadaan ako dito 13 years ago.
Sino kasama?
Ikaw, ako, si Ern at saka Winston.
Pinaligaw.
Hindi, may GPS eh. Parang ganito yan, GPS. Itong nag-guide kung saan tayo pupunta eh. Kung wala niyan, hindi ako makakapunta. Yan lang naman ang sinusunod ko. Kaya pag nagkaroon ng problema, yan nangyari. tutusin na wala akong alam kung saan tayo, wala ba kung wala nito, wala, hindi ko alam. Diyan ako umaasa sa technology, sa GPS. Nagsasabi, saan dadaan, saan liligo.
Marami na rin ganyan.
Oo, karamihan ng kotse. Karamihan nagta-travel may ganyan. Para nakakapunta sa mga lugar na dapat puntahan. Tamang traffic. That's not good. This traffic is not good. Pag yellow minsan mabagal. Ito yung guhit na yellow. Ang meaning yun, mabagal. Pag blue, walang traffic, mabilis. Lahat dyan nakalagay, exit sa 9 miles pa layo, 9.3 na lang. Tapos nagsasalita ito, malagay kung anong oras tayo makakarating doon, 2:18 p.m. Hindi ako lumipat ako rito. Sinasabi isang takbo ng mga sa pangatlo. Kaya kailangan ako nandito kasi dito rin tayo exit sa kanan. So exit is Santa Rita Road, Tasahara Road. So, 8 miles pa tayo. Los Positas. Buntukin dito
Yan kayo.
Kaya canyon puro mga canyon nga naman
Puno.
Puro bundok Puro buntukin.
Pero dati wala ito
It is a blue sky with some clouds. Kaya puno What the fuck? Dami palang tao dito
Ibang city na ito
Pleasanton nga. Pero yung para sa building na yan so may pasukan dyan.
Yan.
Ayun putang ina, kadali rin. Thank you Lord. Kadali din ang puta. Naisip ko saan tayo ayun 55-75 doon tayo papasok. Ayan to route. Pasok rin. Video lang ako sandali tapos baba na tayo. Okay, February. Daddy, paalam mo na. Okay, bye-bye.
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 Tandaan mo yan.
No. Natandaan ko yan. Nandiyan tayo sa harapan ng 5575. O kaharap natin. Ayun yung number na yun.
Yan.
Yan nga, di ba 5575? Kita mo?
65.
Hindi, wag yung 65. 5755. Di ba? Ayan, kantong-kanto tayo dito. Yung kahiliran natin yung 5575. Ayan, di dali. Daling tandaan.
4 na 5.
4 na 5. Paano? Tanggal mo na pala eh. Tingnan ko lang yung sarili ko. Mga muta. Oh, dati sasalubungin kita. Wait, ha?
Tinignan ko lang.
Oh.
575.
Okay, sasalubungin kita. Bababa ako, sasalubungin kita dyan. Okay. Medyo ano rito eh. Kapit ka rito, ha? Hintayin mo lang ako rito, ha? Sige.
Not too early, not too
With the
early.
Stanford Healthcare My Health app, I can schedule appointments on my phone.
June 15th, Monday at
Video visits during the doctor's
11:45.
office
That
is
works?
free. I can even pay my bills, so more time doing the things I love.
Ayun, dalawa. Dito tayo.
I use the My Health app.
Okay, we arrived. My dad already checked the blood pressure, and we're gonna be with the neurologist. We are here. This is the little room. Ha?
Memination. Something or whatever.
Wala pa. Yung blood pressure mo lang medyo mataas. Ano sabi? Okay. Alright then. Hopefully, let's see what happens. Okay. Kaway ka, Daddy. Alright. Bye-bye. Okay. It is 4:46 p.m. of forgot February 12 of 2026. We just came out with a neurologist, and I believe we are in the room here somewhere, because I managed to see the car somewhere right here within these windows. We are in there. Hindi, nandun lang tayo kasi nakikita ko yung sasakyan kanina. Nandun tayo sa maliit na kwarto. Sa bintana dyan somewhere. Nandun. So, we talked to the neurologist. We've been here since 2:30 to 3:30. So, it's like 2 hours. And, everything is okay. But the neurologist, he talks a lot, though. A lot.
Libre ba yun?
Libre, oh. Lots of questions. Lots of talking. And then he did some referrals and some medication. Yes. So that's it. So now the day is done, and I'm gonna buy ulam for my dad for the food, ulam, and then we draw money in the bank, put gas, and then we go home. Okay then, sige Daddy, dito kamay ka. Ayun, ito. Ayun. Okay. Bye. Alright, ito tinaiyan pa ng ibon visit. Say bird poop. Look at this bird poop. Man. You know, wash that bird poop. Let me wash that bird poop. Bird poop. Tayo lang ng ibon eh.
Siguro pa pala.
How do you wash it? Right there. Wash bird poop. Bird poop. No, bird poop is gone. Okay, no more bird poop. Alright. Okay, adios.